Struggling with cluttered spreadsheets? In this video, I'll show you how Excel's drop function can slice your data perfectly. Get ready to master your workflow. Let's get started. The drop function is used to return the contents of a range, excluding a specified number of rows or columns at the start or end. Let's start with a simple example. Consider the following table with sales data. If we want to drop the first two rows, we can use the drop function as follows. Equals drop A1, 2, B6, comma, 2. This will return sales data from February to May. For a more advanced example, let's consider a dataset with multiple columns. If we want to drop the first row and the last column, we can use the drop function as follows. Equals drop A1, 2, D6, comma, 1, comma, minus 1. This will return sales and profit results from January to May and exclude the expenses column. We can combine drop with sort to drop the lowest sales months. Equals drop, open parenthesis, sort, open parenthesis, A1, 2, B6, comma, 2, comma, minus 1, close parenthesis, comma, minus 2, close parenthesis. This keeps only the top 3 months with the highest sales. If your dataset changes in size and you want a flexible way to drop a dynamic number of rows, use a cell reference. Equals drop A1, 2, B8, comma, E1, where E1 contains the number of rows to drop, e.g., 2, making it adaptable without editing the formula. Removing months where sales were below 1,300. We can use filter and drop together. Equals drop, open parenthesis, filter, open parenthesis, A1, 2, B6, comma, B1, 2, B6, greater than or equal to 1,300, close parenthesis, comma, 0, close parenthesis. Only months with sales above 1,300 are retained. The drop function is a versatile tool in Excel that can simplify your data manipulation tasks. From basic row and column exclusion to advanced data analysis, mastering this function will enhance your efficiency. Practice with the examples provided and explore its potential in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.